Lord appeared, and I will not say that the Maya will not have any influence on you, but when you come out, Maya will only have marginal influence on you, just as a mustard seed would have an effect on the cow's feet, cow's horn. That means very little effect on him. So when Shukdev Goswami came out, he did not get affected by Maya, influenced by Maya, and immediately walked away from the house. His father was calling him from behind, but he just kept walking. The same Shukdev Goswami appeared before Parikshit Maharaj while Parikshit Maharaj was awaiting death. The same Shukdev Goswami appeared. Why did he come? When Hari Bhakti appears, then the natural tendency of the Mahatma will be to have mercy on the living entities. Therefore, those who engage in Hari Bhakti will have a natural mercy on the living entities. The father is shouting from behind and Shukdev Goswami is walking. But now Shukdev Goswami did not need to be called. He appeared himself before Parikshit Maharaj. Why? Because he had understood Hari Bhakti by that time. And he told Parikshit Maharaj, you don't need to listen to the injunctions of yogis, karmis and jnanis. Do not waste your time listening to their profligacies. You do Hari Bhakti, you listen to Bhagavat. Immediately mentioned the many rishis had told him about charity, about austerities, about penances, but now he said, I am speaking. Shukdev Goswami said, I am speaking. Then he gave his own introduction. Who am I? I was fixed in Brahma Gyan. I was just not a mere practitioner. I was an expert in Brahma Gyan, about the knowledge, speculative knowledge of the Absolute. But the Hari Bhakti attracted my heart. These are very light advocacies. You do not pay much attention to Jnana, Karma, etc. Now you listen to what I speak. If the real knowledge comes from the words of a sadhu, it will have power and weight. If you only read Granth and then satsang will happen, it will never happen. Granth are always there. Since time immemorial, Granth have been there. But why? Why did people not become Hari Bhakta, devotees? Why? Because as long as sadhus do not give Hari Bhakti, one cannot understand Hari Bhajan.